Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know y'all ain't seen me in a while, but your girl's back and we're gonna get started with this get ready with me, my everyday look that I do every time. We're gonna start off with the Milk Hydro Group primer, and this is the best primer. Next, for my foundation, I'm gonna be taking Maybelline 24 Hour Super Stay in Warm Coconut. I just used the foundation brush to put that on my skin and put it all over. And then I'm gonna go in with a beauty blender from Real Techniques and use that to blend it all out. For my concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Honey. I believe it's Honey. That's what it's supposed to say, where it says your title text here. So excuse that. And I just put it on my forehead, my nose, and under my eyes. I'm using that same beauty blender to blend out the concealer. I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me powder in medium deep, and I'm going to be setting the concealer with that powder. I'm just using a small detailed blending brush to set the areas where I place the concealer with the powder. Now I'm going to take the Black Radiance Contour Palette, and I'm using that shade Contour, well, the contour shade, and I'm using that to just bronze up my face, bring back some dimension into my skin. And I just took some of my mineralized skin finish from MAC, and I just am blending out my forehead because you don't want to have no lines on your skin showing where you placed your product. You want it to blend. You want your skin to look like Buddha. I'm taking that same contour shade and I'm just using a blending brush to blend it on my eyes. I didn't show this product, but I believe that is an Urban Decay eye pencil I'm using in the shade Whiskey that I'm using on my waterline. I'm going to take this MAC Mineralized Blush in the shade Lovejoy and put that on my cheeks. For my brows, I'm using Brow Wiz in the shade Ebony by Anastasia. Now for my lips, I'm taking this lip gloss in the shade Myth and lip liner in the shade Bittersweet. They do not sell Bittersweet anymore, unfortunately, but that's what I'm using because that's what I got. And then I'm going to use my Morphe setting spray to set my face, baby. And this is how she looks. Yes, this is my everyday look. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. I know it's very short, but I am back. She is back, and I'm gonna be coming out with more stuff. So just make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. And I hope you guys liked it. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.